Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to show you a beautiful Yamaha 222XD that we just got in. It's an absolutely gorgeous boat with the black black exterior with the blue accent. It's got a nice swing away tongue, custom made for the Yamahas. It's a beautiful boat. You've got the sports arch here as well. Come around the back, let me show you a little bit more. Hey guys, now that we're back here, I want to show you the best thing about the Yamahas, obviously, is their seating in the back. It's such a great, entertaining boat. You got the nice pads back here, the seating arrangement here, and it brings you right down to the level of the water, basically. So this boat is the XD, so that has the surf system here too. So you have these flaps here that come down and shape the wave when you're ready to surf. It's a great boat to surf when you want to, wakeboard, and then you can just cruise and empty the water ballast out. So let's jump up inside. Let me show you a little bit more. Hey guys, now that we're up inside the boat, I want to show you, it has a beautiful, the cognac tan interior, very rich looking, nice tan interior, has a cool touch. Let's see, you got storage underneath here. You got the integrated the handrails here, the cup holders. And up front here, you have anchor storage, and it also has a bow ladder as well. So plenty of storage. You can actually put pads out and make that a full layout pad. Coming back to the helm, as I mentioned, this is the XD, so you do have the drive paddles to make it easy for docking. You've got electronic shifts, as well as a 12.3-inch screen. So you have all of your diagnostics, however you want to set your water tanks up. Everything is on that one screen. Plenty of storage. You have a captain's chair over here with an integrated handrail, cup holders. You've got more storage in here for any kind of paperwork or anything you want to keep. You also have storage underneath here with a trash bin. Keep all of your cushions and everything there. This has a huge locker underneath here. You can put skis, life jackets, whatever you want here. So being an XD, you also get the Hertz tower speakers. So it has an incredible stereo system with the wakeboard racks. You got plenty of storage for your wakeboards. This bimini actually comes across here and covers the driver and back. So you have a ton of shade. You got the wraparound seating as well. And there's also a fiddling cushion here that you can close that up if you'd like. So it's an awesome boat. If you want more information on this boat, come visit us here in Greenville at the MarineMax.